My 2005 Dodge Magnum, also known as the meat wagon, has been sitting since about 2010. Now, I plan on repainting this thing and plan on cleaning this thing up and just giving this car a complete revamp, man. But today, we're gonna take the pressure washer. We're gonna get this thing as clean as possible. And I also got a part for this thing that I'm gonna show y'all at the end of the video. I'm gonna just say hang in there with me, man, because this thing is super dirty. I kind of cleaned up some of it, but the back of it is still horrible, man. So we're gonna crank the pressure washer up. We're gonna see what we can do with just straight water first, and then if we need whatever, we might foam cannon it or whatever later on, man. But y'all hanging out with me. I'm gonna be checking in. We're gonna be talking periodically, man. Real quick check in. Let me check in real quick and say, man, I appreciate y'all. Your boy is finally monetized on Facebook and YouTube. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. I don't know how many times I say it. You've been watching. Even if you new, even if you watching, this your first video, I appreciate you. Keep watching. Make sure you watch some ads, man. Them ads are how I get paid. When you see an ad, man, that's how we get paid. So watch the ad and yeah, man. But let's talk a little bit more about this build. I have already bought my first part for the meat wagon. Next up, I don't know what I'm gonna buy next. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But I will be buying some other parts. I possibly may approach the engine thing. Trying to get this thing moving on its own power. Maybe my next approach to it, just trying to get it running. Just whatever it takes to get it running. Not nothing crazy. I have seen somebody trying to sell like a 2.7 for like $600 on Facebook Marketplace. So that may be a move I end up making. Who knows? Be nice if I could get this one running. So yeah, man, like I said, y'all just hanging there with me. Y'all just hanging there with your boy. All the bills are gonna go crazy. Matter of fact, the next video y'all get after this one is probably gonna be an update video on everything in the yard, on all the project cars. So stay tuned for that. But let's get this car cleaned off. Y'all see that thing back there looking good? Y'all see it? That's 2005 clean right there. Back in 2005, that was pressure. That was pressure right there. All right, man, now this thing is not clean, but cleaner than it was. Let me take y'all around this thing. These wheels are for sale. Don't know anything about them. Don't know if they're gonna hold air. Don't know whatever. I do see they have already started to, I guess you can call that chrome peel, or the chrome is pitted on them, man. But somebody who might not care, man, just bring me whatever. Here's the back. I know y'all seen how dirty the back of this thing was. That's decent. But yeah, one of the center caps is missing. I found this one. But yeah, man, I think this thing actually came out pretty good. Like, to me, that looks actually really good from here through the camera. Now in person, it's a whole nother story. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But yeah, man, this is the meat wagon, man. The meat wagon. Next video, we're gonna be trying to get this thing running, but I'm just here to show you what I bought. We're not gonna install it, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But we got some manual pedals out of a Dodge Challenger. So this is what we gonna use to try our best to get this installed in this Magnum, man. So it's gonna be a task, I can tell you that. It's gonna be a task because I can see how different it is. But yeah, people done it before, so hey, not many people, but a few people done it. Kind of read up on it a little bit, and yeah, see if I can take a look. Will this just pop off? And it wouldn't just pop off because I want it to. Yes, it will. There we go. We're gonna pop this off so I can get a better look at it down there. We got right here. What's holding me? Oh, this little thing down here. Oh, got a screw down there. But anyway, that gives me a better sight up in there. Okay, that don't look that bad off though. That honestly doesn't look that far off. That actually looks literally almost the same. I think we're gonna try to tackle this, man. I think we're gonna try to tackle this real soon. Real soon, cause the bracket looks very close. The whole thing, man. I wish y'all could see it, but it does look. Man, I wish I could get y'all in there so y'all could see. I think I may. Can y'all hold on? All right, man. So here's what I'm looking at. So if you look at this bracket, and if you look up in here, the way that bolts to the brake booster up under the hood, right? I don't know how good y'all can see that, but I'm gonna try to slide y'all into here. And I knew it was gonna be too dark. See if I could slide y'all up in there. Let me grab a light. Alright, man, so with that light thrown in there, y'all can see how that bracket looks, right? Take a very good look at that bracket. Let me even zoom y'all in as much as I can. Alright, y'all see how that bracket is made? Now here's the bracket out of the Challenger. I don't know if y'all can see it, man, but it's similar. It's very similar. One more shot. There's the Challenger. Now yeah, we got an extra pedal here, but I'm gonna shoot y'all right back up in there again. I don't think it's gonna be that hard if it isn't a direct bolt up, man. Alright, man, as y'all can see, that is the first piece I bought. Now, backstory behind why did I buy that piece? I bought that piece because I wanted myself to commit to making this car a stick shift. And I know that if I go ahead and put the pedals in it, then I have no choice at that point. Or I mean, I could take them back out, but if I had to do some fabricating, some modification to it, I know for sure I'm gonna say, okay, I done did all this work. I might as well just put the you know, TR6060 in it. Of course, it's gonna be a built TR6060. But man, let me know your thoughts on the meat wagon. What do you think about it? I can probably drop y'all a picture of what I want this thing to look like. Obviously, I said wide body. Haven't quite decided on the color, but the color's gonna be something crazy. I want the color to be real crazy. Yeah, man. So all I can say is stay tuned for the build, man, because next video I'm gonna be trying to get this thing running, and I'm gonna be trying to get those pedals in, man. So y'all better, if you're not subscribed, man, the meat wagon build is finna be crazy. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and let that bell notification come on, man, because the next video on this car is gonna be just that. So y'all stay tuned.